come on! It's supposed. Welcome to Cisco and Panchos World Adventures. I'm Cisco.
I'm Pancho.
If you like our videos, click like and subscribe.
Don't forget to check out all the other videos, kids.
And don't forget to comment down below for a shout out in our next video. Here's all the shout outs in this video. Thanks for leaving comments down below, guys. Today we have Propulsion Rocket.
Discovery
Propulsion Rocket. It runs on baking soda and citric acid.
What took you so long to say that?
And it also comes with stickers. This cool stickers sheet.
You can write whatever you want, and you can put whatever number you want
On your rocket. So you can do the rocket number as number 65. Okay, do you want to open it up and see what's inside, kids?
Yeah!
Ooh.
Okay.
Wait, there's tape. Tape, our worst enemy in videos. Oh, it's hard to open it. Okay. I don't see the sticker sheet in there. Oh,
It's
more
in here.
tape, our worst enemy.
I think just
Oh, it has
rip the box.
my eye. Hey Pancho, wanna know something very scary but weird?
What?
Somebody sneezed with his eyes opened and his eyes literally popped out, but it was still on his body.
That's true or fake?
True.
Did it happen at school?
No, I watched it on a video.
Oh, then that must mean it's fake.
No, it actually was real. It even showed video of it.
Then it must be edited.
No, it is not. Oh, and I can make it so that I won't be able to blink for a long time.
Okay.
What you do?
1 hour later.
Whee! Is this the launch pad? The bottom of the rocket.
This is not.
Cardboard.
This isn't gonna come off.
Okay, did you ever think about getting scissors?
2,000 years later.
I did. I'll go get some.
Okay, no. Should I go get the scissors? You do not have super strength.
Fail.
No! More tape.
Damn.
I think you broke a hole in it while you were there somewhere when you were trying to open. You're trying to take it off.
Wow.
There. Plastic.
And some more plastic.
So I don't know what this material is on the top of the rocket.
Some more paste.
It's all gray on the inside.
Mr. Joseph.
Oh. The sticker sheet is smaller than I thought it would be.
Also, it's shiny.
Yeah. But it's smaller than I thought it would be. Even on the picture of the box, that was very big. See, it's bigger than on the sticker sheet in real life. It's very small. Are you already putting the rocket together? Pancho's putting the rocket together. I think you have to... I took the top of the rocket off. No, Pancho.
Okay, let's name it subscribe now.
Alright, amigos, we're at the park and we're ready to launch our Cisco and Pancho's World Adventures rocket. Do you want to launch it? Yeah!
And you have to click like and subscribe. And this is me if you click like and subscribe. We're gonna be so happy if you click like and subscribe.
To launch the rocket, we need 2/3 cups of white vinegar. You also have to fill up this tube full of baking soda. The first thing you do is pour in the vinegar. It sounds like water.
It smells bad.
It smells like last time when we made a volcano. It's heavy now. The next thing you do is put the baking soda in. Oh no. Come on. Oh, oh come on!
What? It didn't go.
I think we counted too early. Oh, come on! It's supposed to launch 30 feet into the air.
Is that 20 feet?
Wait, and what happened to all the vinegar inside of it?
It's right there. Go!
Whoa! We wasted all that Mentos for nothing. Well, as you can see, kids, this rocket doesn't really fly that well because it said it would fly 30 feet into the air, but it doesn't even fly that high. No! So don't waste your allowance on this, kids.
3, 2, 1, spaghetti sauce.
Well, if you liked our videos, click like and subscribe. Bye! See you next time.
Bye.
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 Destroy that rocket. I am the Terminator. I terminate rockets. I terminated it.
You broke it.
Oh, Pancho! Oh, Cisco!
This way, Pancho, vámonos! The Cisco